guys, we've somehow ended up...
What? It's a mouthwash. Oh.
We've ended up in the most insane room ever. We did not pay much for this at all, and we're somehow in like this unbelievable room. I'm in my little bathrobe, which is very cute, but I will give you a room tour. We paid probably about 250 quid, maybe 230 quid to stay here for 3 nights. What, we were not expecting this at all. Let me show you. Okay, so you walk in, you have like a literal matcha set, which I've been craving, like making matcha, a whole filter water thing, a weird little box of goodies. Yeah.
We've got a jacuzzi.
And then this is when it starts getting mad.
Oh, there's a jet spa.
Shower, and then we literally have, like Sam's currently realising.
It's a jet. What is this? What is this? Is that a TV we can watch movies in? What?
Everything is in Japanese though, so we actually have no idea what everything is. And then we have the toilet, which is its own like little vicinity.
What's that say?
Then we have a steam room. And then, you know, just to really top it all off,
What?
a bloody sauna. And then you walk back out of this whole bathroom spa complex, and you literally have a dining area. So I'm currently attempting to make a matcha. As much as me being a lover of matcha, I've never made my own matcha, so we'll see how this goes. That has got a lovely little bit of foam on it, which I've seen from the videos is what you want. And now I'm gonna try and make up some water, and then just gonna pour this into there. I just made an actually banging matcha by myself. I also used some like sugar syrup because they didn't have any honey in the shop. Guys, I've just woken up but our breakfast arrived. Woo! Actually looks really good. It smells good as well, so how am I gonna do this? I can the bread looks so good. Good morning everybody. It is our first full day in Kyoto and we woke up in this bougie ass hotel, and I still can't quite believe that we're staying here and this is actually like happening, but not mad whatsoever. I think our plan for today is we're gonna go into like the main part of Kyoto. We're gonna try and have like a little explore of like the older town. I think there's a part of Kyoto which is a bit more like old Japan, so I think we're gonna go there. My main objective for today is just matcha. Just go try matcha everything, because this is the birthplace of matcha. And I do need to buy a whisk. That's like my mission, is I'm gonna buy a whisk and maybe a bowl, but I don't know if I can take it home. We haven't really got much of a plan today because it's almost like 11 o'clock, so we're having a bit of a lazier morning, but I'm all ready. I've switched out the jeans today. I'm in a denim skirt, which might either be a good idea or a bad idea. We'll see. I'm gonna grab the subway in, I think like about half an hour, and get on with the day. Currently on the hunt for food, and there's a matcha place that I want to try. It's like 3 minutes away from here. How did you find the famous street?
We haven't been there.
Yeah, we did.
Where?
The famous street.
Didn't look very famous to me.
Guys, there's matcha everywhere. And it's very busy. Lots of people everywhere.
Nearly at the end.
I have no idea how to eat this. Mochi bowl.
This?
Really good. Wanna try some? We're trying the strongest matcha.
What have you done to me?
That's like strong.
It's so good.
We got the last. Sam and I are doing an advent whereby we're both buying something for each other and then giving each other from 7-Eleven. I've got mine. He's currently purchasing his. Okay, each other's advent gifts.
Advent gifts until we get back to England.
Yeah, so we have an advent calendar. Ooh! I was gonna get you something strawberry, but I'm gonna get you something chocolate too. Okay, we're on.
You in my alley.
It's giving Harry Potter Dementor Alley. Dry up, Dursley. You will-
Vagina.
We're on our way back from our day. We've done like 25,000 steps. We've got another 50 minutes to walk. I have a big girl purchase, which I will show you later. And we did succeed in getting Sunny Angels. So we shall be doing an unboxing. But yeah, we've got to walk home first. We have finally found,
Don't need that
after
piece.
literally hours of effort over the past couple days, past week, Sunny Angels. I cannot tell you how hard it was to actually find these.
But you
Like,
can, it was fucking impossible.
I think I've showed a little bit of us trying to get them, and it was just...
I thought it'd be easy. Obviously, I don't have TikTok.
Yeah, because when I arrived here, I was like, oh, I'll just find Sunny
No,
Angel.
You knew it was hard. I thought, nah, it'll be easy. It's just a little baby.
I've been dragging poor Sam around shop after shop, like probably at least maybe a dozen shops in Tokyo and Kyoto, trying to find these silly little angels. And we went into Tokyo Hands today and
No, loft.
Loft in Kyoto, and they only had 2 more, and we got the Christmas dinner selection, and it's literally the 1st of December.
Madness.
I'll take it. Yeah, we're gonna do a little unboxing because we spent enough time looking for them. They deserve their own little unboxing segment.
Hey, I'm hoping.
Yeah, we've got to say which one we're hoping for.
Okay, I'm hoping for. I've said the crocodile. I think the crocodile looks funny.
I'm hoping for, I think,
What, the
the
lion
strawberry.
or the strawberry?
The strawberry or the
We could
pink
get the
lion.
ultra-
But to be fair, any of these will be good.
Yeah.
I'll...
Ready? Are we doing it at the same time?
Wait, how do you
Ready?
open it?
There's- Oh, wait. Oh my goodness, what is that? You got the one you wanted. Mine's got a willy on it. What? Why has he got a willy? This is so weird. Carrot.
You don't seem overwhelmed with that.
I wanted a crocodile.
Is it not cute though? Look at this little bird.
Am I like over the moon that I spent like 4 days of my life searching for a carrot?
I am. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna keep looking, but yeah, if you come to Tokyo or like Japan expecting there to be loads of Sunny Angels, nah, there's like a shortage, or like everyone's going for them. But look how cute it is. I also bought a camera. Big.
I'm gonna express a kiss. Look, I'm about to nibble on your cake. Yum yum. Always watching. That was sick.
We have arrived in like the center of Kyoto, and we are on our way to try and find the matcha tea ceremony that we booked, which I'm very excited about. Are you excited, Tim?
Yeah. Yeah,
job.
no, I want to learn how to make matcha.
Yeah, you learn like the ceremonial way of doing it, which I'm very excited about. I have also added, I didn't show you this yesterday, but I ordered the little miffy. Of the tea ceremony.
I thought it was really cool.
You enjoyed?
Yeah, it was.
You liked the match as well, didn't you?
Yeah, it was nice. I don't know
Yeah.
if it was because I frothed it up to the max.
He had cappuccino style.
It was better. It was really smooth. I thought it was going to be really bitter. It
Yeah.
was really hot though. I don't know how she downed hers.
Somehow ends up in a British pub. Good evening, everybody. We have arrived back from our long day of waltzing around Kyoto and tea ceremonies and more tea ceremonies. I am absolutely exhausted. I didn't sleep very well last night, so today's been a bit of a drag, exhaustion-wise. But it's been fun. But tonight we thought that instead of going out for dinner and not getting back till much later, we would have a little bit of a 7-Eleven dinner. Because every time we go in there, we see all the food, or like the meals, and they look so good that we're like, we have to try them at some point. Our delectable 7-Eleven dinner tonight. Yum! Hey guys, it is the morning before we check out of this hotel, or morning of when we check out of this hotel, and I thought I would round up the Kyoto vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And next up is Osaka, which I am probably most excited for because I've heard it's like the foodie party town. I'm not gonna party by any means, but I'm very excited to try even more tasty food. And we have in fact booked Universal for tomorrow, which I'm so excited for. So look forward to that vlog. And I also have some very exciting new bits of equipment to film on for the next video. So hopefully the quality is gonna like shoot up and get so much better, which should be fun. And I've been taking some photos on it and everything, and it's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you, for me tomorrow, but for you probably next week, the Osaka vlog, which is gonna be good. I love you guys, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I shall see you very soon.